welcome to the Sears Tower, the tallest building in North America. You're heading up to the famous Sears Tower sky deck at floor 103. The tower stands 110 stories high. But don't forget about those antennas.
It says here those antennas are over 1,738 feet up.
That's right. There's 43,000 miles of phone cable in here. How's that for a real long-distance call?
Enough phone lines to stretch across America 15 times.
On a clear day, you'll see 50 miles in each direction.
Wow! It's stupendous.
The building is so tall,
It's the length of 5.5 football fields.
Exactly. Hey, folks, watch your step and enjoy the view.
Well, I thought that went well.
Oh, sure, that was fun. 60.
Say the difference.
Lower halfway.
Just think how deep the hole is below us.
Yeah. Big drop test. Like that elastic band don't break.
Well, they have two cables.
Two.
Yeah, I liked it better when it was
See
noisy.
the view, man.
Only 15 more to go.
All right. We don't know what you're doing. So,
Quick.
slow it down. Oh my God, I hate this right. There you go. Yeah.
It's not the view straight away, is it?
That's a good point.
I hope the